Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. Finishing up on a Porsche 911 Carrera T for touring. What I'm going to show is I just had a client call me and asked about if we wrap edges. So I'm going to show you the whole car's done. Did a full wrap on this. And all our edges do get wrapped underneath this belt molding for the front door, underneath the belt molding for the rear quarter panel. We don't want any lines that are out. All inside around the window area, the roof pan, fully wrapped. So if you're looking for that wrap, that's us. So let's come up on the last piece. I'm gonna hold this camera while I do it and try to show you. I just wrapped this edge of the rear trunk lid for where you'd add oil and water on this car. But that just got wrapped and that corner is wrapped. So let's come over here to the last side just before I get ready to wrap it. So here it is coming across. It's a one-piece component. It comes across the top. There's a satellite antenna that comes across over here, and this is my last section to wrap. So I'm gonna wrap this edge. I already did. I'm gonna come around here with what I designed to be overage, and it's gonna come around this corner, come around over here, and just enough, if that camera will focus, to wrap that corner, and then all the way across and inside the area there. So here we go. I'm going to try to hold this at the same time that I do this. So I'm going to put a little bit, some solution under there, and I'm going to come around and just simply start locking this edge down slowly. Okay? And as I do that, I'm going to come back here with my famous, or my favorite, squeegee. Okay, now I've already captivated locking down that edge with no liquid shooting back from suction. Because what happens is I've seen them where they have blobs of liquid that dry and it's like a white material. It's because the adhesive shot it back up because they didn't wrap it properly. You have to wrap it a little bit at a time or the suction will suck it back up and you'll have bubbles along the edge. So we've already achieved that. Just a little bit more of this stuff on there. I'm gonna finish up this edge. Come in there nice and easy. Okay, so there it is. So there's that corner wrapped, that full edge, no notches. We achieve every angle, and this corner here is wrapped all the way to the bottom of the corner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up here, and I'm going to finish it up here in a second and clean this thing up and get it out of here to my client. I'm going to wrap that edge. I'll bring my squeegee around there, and I'll lift it up here in a second and get the rest of this. Just like that. And now I want to come around after it's open. I'm going to get this guy. It just takes time. It's about patience. It's not about a race. You know, when somebody calls me and says, hey, can you get my car to me right away? Well, it kind of tells me you're not looking for perfection. You're looking for just a fast job. And we're quick. Trust me, I can get you a full front pretty fast and full wraps pretty quick, but allow your installers, whoever they are, the time necessary to do the job right. And when you drop your car off at places, be sure that you're actually going over the pieces, every piece of the car, to talk about where the film's going to end. I've had so many customers come in here and they'll show me the previous car and there'll be a gap from here to the edge, but that wasn't explained in the original drop-off. Therefore, the installer did what he could do, but you didn't clarify. So whatever's getting wrapped, make sure there's clarification. When you come around over here, I've seen so many Porsches where there's an edge right here. All these lights come out, everything's wrapped in. There's enough room in this fender to wrap in. So when you look at this car, you don't know that it's wrapped, and that is why people come here. So we take the time necessary, we know what we can wrap, and we get it wrapped. So Clearbrow, North Dallas, if you guys have any questions, You can reach us at 940-703-8301 or 214-414-3809. And you can also email us at clearbra.northdallas@gmail.com. So finishing up this Carrera T, turned out perfect. The guy, he came in a couple times during the wrap. He loves it. And if you want to come by and see what we can do, show you some demos, we're happy to do that too. Take care and have a great day.